Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Chris Kienke, your Denver real estate guide, and today I'm excited to give you a quick tour of my newest listing right here at 9400 East Iliff Avenue at Unit 37. So this charming 2-bed, 2-bath home is the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and low maintenance living. As soon as you walk in, you'll notice the open layout, great natural light, and a cozy flow that makes this space instantly feel inviting. Whether you're relaxing after a long day or entertaining friends, this layout has you covered. The kitchen has everything you need. The bedrooms are generously sized, and the primary suite gives you the privacy you deserve. And yes, you get your own one-car garage attached, which is a huge bonus in this area. Plus, you're in a fantastic location, close to shops, dining, parks, and easy commuting routes. So come on in, take a look around, and imagine how great life could be here at Unit 37. Let's get started. Thank you so much for going on that tour with me today. That's 9400 East Iliff. I hope you had a great time. Real short, real sweet tour. If you have any questions you want to schedule, just reach me here at the number below. Happy to set up a private showing for you. Thanks again for coming along.